Hi, Nonna. What are we doing today?
Well, I have some red pepper.
Red peppers.
So we're going to roast.
We're going to do roasted red peppers? Yummy.
Okay, that's...
How many? We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You can
7.
do how much you want it, so I'll do just for a little bit.
Okay.
Just for, that's what I have. So you make sure it's nice, no spot, nothing.
Okay.
You're going to wash it.
Wash. Oh, okay.
You dry.
Dry them.
You can put in the oven,
Yeah?
or you can put on the barbecue.
Okay. What do you use?
Now I use the stove.
The stove.
I put it high, 450.
At 450. Okay. How come you're not doing it on the barbecue today?
Because I don't want to go open the barbecue only for 6.
Okay.
But so you have the barbecue on, you can put on a barbecue.
Okay.
You can put on a pan, like something like that. Or I do take the
Tin foil. What are you going to do?
You can put this one on the bottom inside the stove. This. Because the pepper is going to drain the water. It's going to get soft, the water is going to come out. So that's why I put this one and she doesn't go inside the stove.
So the water doesn't come out.
It stay inside here. So you can put it inside over here too.
A cooking sheet.
A cooking sheet.
Okay.
Okay?
But you're going to use tin foil.
Yeah, I use like that.
Okay. That seems like a lot easier.
Well,
cleaner.
You take the pepper and you put on top like this. Or like this, depending on. I put it like that.
Okay. Do you go in after a little bit and?
Yes, after we're gonna turn.
Okay.
See?
Ooh, they're already sizzling.
Like that. Make sure the water doesn't go through. We could do like that too. Okay. And you put it in. So that's it.
Okay, we put it in at 147. Well, it's almost been 10 minutes.
You could check. Wait, you don't have to check. Yeah, see?
Oh, look, it's already getting black on top.
Yeah, see? We have to turn.
So it's
What's that called?
156, so almost 10 minutes. Oh, I can smell it.
You turn like that.
Are you going to turn it again?
Oh yeah, put it upside down.
Oh. Got to roast every side.
Because after you have to peel.
Oh. Okay. Okay, just checking it again.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Look at all the...
Excuse me. You like that one? It was not. Make sure it's so hard when you buy it.
Oh, you have to make sure that
it's nice and
nice and hard.
You know. Okay, that one to do like that. I'm gonna put it different way. I can put it like this.
Oh, because you have to get all sides.
Yeah. As soon as it's gonna be ready. Okay, like this one. Soon.
Okay. How are they? Oh, look at that one. Ooh. Is this supposed to be that black?
Yeah, it's okay like that. I'm gonna take it out.
Is that perfect?
Yeah.
Let me see, Mom. Look. Ooh, yes.
And you put inside here tray.
Why? Because they leak?
No, you have to be cooled down before you peel.
Before you peel. Oh, look how...
This one, like that. Maybe this one too. Yeah. This one.
Well, that you need to flip that one.
Excuse me.
Flip that one.
No, it's supposed to be like that because it's not right there. This
Ooh,
one.
that's black.
Like that, see? Questa sta cucinando poco. Like that.
Okay, so some of them come out when they're ready, and the other ones continue to cook. Ooh, they're really black.
It's supposed to be like that. That one now we have to peel.
Okay, once they cool down, we peel them. Okay.
See? This one,
I think they're ready.
this one, yeah. This one, not yet. These two, not yet. Yeah,
Hey,
see?
oh look, they're done. She just shut off the stove, the oven, and it's 2:13. So,
See?
wow, nice.
Okay. And you throw away. See, because see the water?
Oh yeah, see, so that's why. Perfect. See,
perfect.
nice easy cleanup when you use the tinfoil.
All right, close it up. You could peel, man, now it's too hot. You do like this, look.
No, well it's too hot now. Let it cool down.
See?
Okay, we'll let it cool down. So it comes up
Look,
easily.
see? Look.
Oh yeah.
So, look like that.
But it's too hot. We'll do it later, Ma.
Yeah, no, it's too hot. I don't want to. Because
How long does it take to cool down? About a half hour?
maybe more.
Okay.
Depend.
Okay, that's
When
fine.
you want to do it, you do it. See, look,
Yeah.
look. See? It's pale.
pretty.
Everything's out.
Okay, but you still
So
have to
you're
cut it
gonna-
up and stuff like that, but make sure it's cooled down.
Yeah, so because all those, you cut it like this. You want to see how much water is coming? See? You let it drain.
You have to let it drain?
Well, yeah, after you fix it.
Okay.
Or you could freeze too.
What?
You could freeze too.
You can freeze this?
Yes. You could peel.
Yeah?
You could peel.
Yeah.
Or you could put it like this in the
In the
freezer.
freezer. And then when you're ready to do it,
Or you're gonna peel.
Yeah,
You
these
have the
Italians
frost?
love to freeze stuff.
So,
Good, that's smart. Okay.
okay?
Okay. Okay, we'll come back when it's not as hot.
Yeah, no, I can do it. Maybe you have
Here
to
we
go.
are. It's cool?
Yes.
Now it's cooled down. Oh, they come off so easily.
Yeah, that one. Okay, you take like this.
Just rip it. Let me see your hands, Ma.
Or you can do like this too.
Oh, look, the stem just...
Yeah, stem is gonna come off. See, still hot. See, lot of water inside, see?
Oh. So you want to get rid of that water?
Oh yes, after I showed you the way to do it. I'm gonna put it, Molmite aqui dentro, okay?
Oh, you get a drainer.
I'm gonna open, it's hot. I'm gonna put some water. You take all the seed. Woo! See the seed? You take it out. And you finish, you take it out.
So you remove all the seeds.
Oh yes.
Okay.
Yeah, gonna
And
do-
the skin.
and the skin. You do like this.
Oh, you peel with you just separate them with your hand.
Yeah, with the hand, like that. See? You take all this thing out. See?
Yeah.
So you do like this.
Okay, so you're gonna do that to all of them?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
You let it drain a little bit. You know, because a lot of water is gonna come in. You can see a lot of water, see?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see?
Okay. Oh, look how nice and easy this one
See?
comes out. Oh,
So you want to freeze it with the skin.
with the skin on or off?
On.
On, okay.
That's somebody told me it's better. Stay nice and crunchy.
Oh.
See? Like
They're
this.
slippery.
Well, it's hot.
Oh.
See?
Oh, you can even wet it.
Yeah, you can wet. See? You like it. Well, I do big. You could do a little bit small too. You could do like this too. I like to be bigger, so that's it. See? Sometimes it's nothing inside. You don't have to wash. See? When I finish,
Oh, that's easy.
yeah, it's easy.
Oh, yeah, they are nice and hard still.
So that's why you don't have to let it burn.
Okay.
You want so a little bit soft. See how soft it is?
They get mushy.
That's it. That's exactly what it is.
That's why you want to get it hard. So they don't become mushy.
That's it.
Okay.
Now
Okay, now we're gonna let this drain for about an hour.
If I show you the end, you see how much water is in the bottom.
Really?
Here.
Okay, yeah.
I'm going to put it in here
So
now.
we're gonna put it over there so we can see.
Yeah.
So put it in a little bowl like this and let it drain, and we're
Yeah.
gonna see how much water comes out of it. Okay. Are you ready, Nonna?
I'm ready.
Okay, here it is. We ready? Let's see how much water came out. Ooh, it's been about an hour, so that's a lot. Okay. Dump it out.
That's it. Okay.
Let's see what it looks like. That beautiful color, beautiful. Okay.
Okay, you need parsley
Parsley,
and garlic.
parsley and garlic.
Yeah. Depend how much
How about oil?
and oil. That's it.
Okay.
And salt.
Oh, and salt too.
Gonna do by hand.
Oh, look, she's gonna put it in hand, by hand. Oh, we have a lot of pepper, so
That's it. Depend,
how salty
So you
like
want to
it.
put a hot stuff, you can put hot stuff.
No, we don't want to put hot stuff
No.
in this one. Who taught you how to make this?
Everybody mix.
All Italians make. I know. I love this. Everybody loves this. So how many garlic
okay.
cloves?
Depend. Maybe one is enough. Depend,
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. I think that's it.
So you used 1.5.
Yeah. Okay,
And now
that's
parsley.
well. The way you want, you chop it. So I do like this.
Yeah.
That's it. Well, I don't measure the oil, so
Just pour it
you,
like the way.
the way you want to fill it.
Oh, you put apple. You put lots of
No,
ample amount of.
it's up to you.
Wow.
Then you put it sugar and you turn it on.
And that's it?
That's it. It's a lot of pepper.
It is. Let's get one of your grandkids to test it.
Look over here.
Shirtless.
Hey, Gavin, come taste it. Put your shirt on first. Taste this. Here's Nonna's grandson. 12 years old. Tell us what you think, Gavin.
Okay, there.
It's good, huh?
Don't put it there.
It's good. You like it, Gavin?
Good, yeah.
It's good. Yummy.
What do you need? You need any salt, any pepper? What do you
Anything
need?
else, Gavin?
Perfect. That's
No,
perfect.
no, they're gonna put it on.
Okay, grandkid approved. So it's good. Thank you, Gavin.
Hey, you wanna eat? There's a fettina there.
No, he can wait.